Welcome to this tutorial of the new Parts on Demand portal. To start a new request, we will drag and drop a 3D file. You can also upload multiple files at once. After the file has finished analyzing, you can have a look at the 3D view on the right. You can use the wall icon to check if there are any thin walls in your design. Thin walls show as yellow or red. A warning will pop up if your part is too thin to produce. The hexagon icon will give a ghosted view of the design. The cube icon brings us back to the standard view. You can use the toggle below to make sure the orientation of your part is locked for production. You can also add a comment or upload a PDF drawing to give us more details on your design. Next, we will configure the material. Select the desired material from the menu. You can use the search and filter option if you are looking for a specific technology or color. Click Select to confirm. After selecting the material, you can choose a color from the drop-down. The 3D viewer will update accordingly. When you scroll down, you can select any additional post-processing, like vapor polishing. On the left, you find an overview of the specifications. You can also increase the quantity of parts here. At the bottom of the page, you can find the estimated shipping date and subtotal. Click Review to continue. To save your request, you have to log in. If you already have an account, you can log in by email. We will send you a one-time passcode to log in. Select your preferred delivery option and choose the address from the drop-down. The shipping costs are added to the total on the right. After checking your part one more time, you can directly check out or save the quote for later. This will generate a PDF download of your quote and take you to this overview page. Here you can add some more chat messages or attachments. You can also add a PO number. Click the profile icon at the top to find an overview of previous quotes. You can also view previous or current orders and check the status. Click the Parts on Demand logo to go back to the start page. Now that you are logged in, you can find an overview at the top of unfinished requests that you can continue or delete. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing your requests.